Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a police report in Waze to help out other drivers on the road. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the left side of your screen and you'll see a circle icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon centers the map on your current location, which is essential because Waze needs to know exactly where you are to place the police report accurately. This ensures that other drivers receive the alert at the right spot on their route. Next, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find a warning sign icon. Click on this icon to open up the reporting menu. This is your gateway to sharing real-time road hazards and alerts with the Waze community. The warning sign icon is specifically designed for reporting various types of road incidents, from accidents to traffic jams and, of course, police presence. Once the menu opens, you'll see several reporting options available. Click on Police to proceed. This option allows you to alert other Waze users about police activity in your area, which can help drivers stay aware and drive more cautiously. It's one of the most commonly used features in Waze because it benefits the entire community of drivers using the app. Now, you'll be presented with more specific options to choose from. You can select police for a visible police car, mobile camera if there's a speed camera setup, hidden for officers who aren't immediately visible, or other side if the police are on the opposite side of the road. Each of these options provides different types of alerts to drivers, so choosing the right one helps everyone get the most accurate information possible. For this example, go ahead and click Police to indicate a visible police presence. After selecting this option, click the Report button to submit your alert. Once you do this, the information is immediately shared with other Waze users in the area, and they'll receive a notification about the police presence as they approach that location, and that's it. You've successfully reported police activity in Waze, helping other drivers stay informed and drive safely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.